Let's start solving this system by naming the equations. I'll call the top one equation 1 and the bottom one equation 2. And then let's start with our approach where we will eliminate y and get x. So let's see what happens here. What I'm going to do is focus in on the coefficients of y, and I want them to become opposite. So I notice already they have opposite signs, and the smallest number they both divide into is 10. So we can multiply the top equation by 2, and we don't have to do anything to the bottom equation. So here's the plan. 2 times equation 1 plus just equation 2 itself, right? Because if I multiply that by 2, I'll have the negative 10, but I don't have to do anything to this. So it's just 2 times the first one plus the second one. And here's what it looks like. When I multiply the top equation by 2, I get 4x minus 10y equals 6. In the bottom equation, negative 4x plus 10y equals 3. Now this is interesting. What happens when you add these together? Right, when you add these together, you get the x's are gone, the y's are gone, so you get 0 on the left side, you get 9 on the right side. You've eliminated all the variables and you end up with a false statement. Now this will happen from time to time, where you eliminate the variables and get a false statement, and that implies, actually here's what it implies: parallel lines, no solution, right? Because the parallel lines will never intersect. So this happens when, this is what you're going to say when you eliminate all the variables and get a false statement. The lines are parallel, no solution. Now look back carefully at what we have going on here, back at the original. All the x's and y's are on one side, and notice, see the second equation? Isn't it just like it's negative double almost on this side? It's like negative double, not negative double. So it's like times negative 2, not times negative 2. So if this left side is a multiple of the top, but the right side is not, then you're going to have this situation occurring. You'll eliminate all the variables, get a false statement. The lines will be parallel, no solution. So just, what if you had this one here? What if you had 3x plus 8y equals 1, and then you want to build another equation so that there's no solution to this system? Well, what if you did this? You could double, not double, or you could triple, not triple, or just pick any multiple you want. So suppose that I triple. I could get like 9x plus 24y, but then don't triple. Anything except what, 3? So what I did is I tripled, not just anything except don't triple, maybe even just 1. Okay, in this case, parallel lines, no solution. So sometimes right up front you can recognize that there's going to be no solution if you get like multiple, same multiple, different.